Today's tip number 4 is family agreements, and I've got 10 beautiful tips for you. This is a really important thing. You may be the one that kind of organizes family meetings, maybe talking about rules. It depends, you know, there's one parent that does it versus the other, or one partner versus the other, or you might just be a single parent. So here's what I wanted to share with you, these beautiful tips, because they really this tip piggybacks on tip number 1, where we're stopping boundary blunders, where I encouraged you to really get crystal clear on your boundaries. This is also a part of that. This is where you get to express your wants, your needs, and your boundaries very clearly. So let's start with the 10 terrific tips, I call them, and I'll have a slide at the end of this video so you can review them again and write them down. So here's tip number 1. We make household decisions together with the exceptions of, and that's what parents, partners can decide. We step into curiosity instead of defensiveness. That's number 2. That's a great one. Curiosity instead of defensiveness. Number 3, we look up from our screens when we're talking to each other. That's a big one. And I do this too, right? So it's not just about me telling my sons to do it. I also have to model this one. Number 4, we choose our words wisely. Words are powerful. So consider the words because they create visual images in the mind. Number 5, we respect each other's boundaries. So you setting your own boundaries is super important because you're modeling for the others in your family, and it changes the dynamic. Number 6, when someone has something to say, we stop and listen. This is a great one too, because you know, we're just hustle bustle rushing constantly, and we've got multitasking, you know, to-dos in our minds. So when we stop and really listen, we feel heard. And a lot of us didn't feel that when we were young. So this is a great one. Let's see. Number 7, we work to build each other up, not tear each other down. Again, that's that sort of the family, the code of ethics. Number 8, all feelings are valid and are given a constructive forum to express themselves. So this is where the family meetings can come in. This is super helpful. Number 9, we take responsibility for our actions and our behavior. So feelings are valid. We can always express. However, there can be unhealthy ways our actions and behavior are not appropriate. Number 10, we spend quality time together having fun and creating memories. I love that one. That one's so great too. So those are great. There'll be a slide at the end so you can look them over and pick and choose which ones work best for you and your family. Tomorrow's tip is going to be the art and strategy of unscheduling. Thanks for being here.